In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deal with password-protected worksheets. I have opened already two workbooks, and both of them consist of two worksheets, one called Countries and one called Customer Profile. However, only one pair of worksheets is shown up here. The worksheet Countries has not been matched automatically and is not shown. The reason for that is that the worksheet Countries is password protected. To include password protected worksheets, click on the drop-down menu, Include Sheets, and tick Protected. Click on the red double arrow, and they will be included now in the comparison. However, the worksheet Countries is still in red. That means that you first need to enter the password. Type it in and hit enter. If the password is correct, the password protected worksheet will be shown in green. If it is incorrect, you may need to try again. And with this, we are good to start the comparison. Click on the Start icon and get started. Thank you for watching.